Wow, check out this crested pigeon family. They are amazing. They know just when to hang out, just when to seize the moment. All action, clean-up crew. These guys are smarter than you think. Here's our leader, Punky. The red-legged bandit. Calling the shots. They're playing wacky races there. And they are fast. Straight into cleanup. There you go. No mucking around with these guys. Got the amazing punk hairdos. Beautiful iridescent colours. And they're on top of their game. Look at that, the seed is gone. Whoa. Absolutely amazing. So there's a bit of myth busting there. These guys are definitely smarter than you think. Wow, look at the cleanup crew. All while our friend is here. Good morning. Well, there you go. Crested pigeons are smarter than you think. Okay, thank you, Punky. Awesome. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay passionate, and we'll catch you on the next one.